Hello everyone, I'm Shivangi Verma from class 8D and together today we will discover what is Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Bill, its features and many other things. Article 370 of the Indian Constitution gave a special status to Jammu and Kashmir, a region located in the northern part of Indian subcontinent, which was administered by India as a state from 1954 to 31 October 2019 and a part of the larger region of Kashmir, which has been the subject of dispute between India, Pakistan and China since 1947, conferring it with the power to have a separate constitution, a state flag, and autonomy over the internal administration of the state. The article was drafted in Part 21 of the Constitution titled Temporary, Transitional and Special Provisions. The Constituent Assembly of Jammu and Kashmir, after its establishment, was empowered to recommend the articles of the Indian Constitution that should be applied to the state or to abrogate the Article 370 altogether. This article, along with Article 335A, defined that the Jammu and Kashmir state's residents live under a separate set of laws, including those related to citizenship, ownership of property and fundamental rights as compared to the residents of other Indian states. As a result of this provision, Indian citizens from other states could not purchase land or property in Jammu and Kashmir. On 5 August 2019, the Government of India issued a constitutional order superseding the 1954 order and making all the provisions of the Indian Constitution applicable to the Jammu and Kashmir based on resolution passed in both houses of India's parliament with two-thirds majority. Following the resolutions passed in both houses of the parliament, he issued a further order on 6 August declaring all the clauses of Article 370 except Clause 1 to be inoperative. In addition, the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act was passed by the Parliament, enacting the division of the state of Jammu and Kashmir in two union territories to be called Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir and Union Territory of Ladakh. The reorganization took place on 31 October 2019. Now we'll see what difference has this bill made before and now. Special powers exercised by J&K, no special powers now. Dual citizenship, single citizenship, separate flag for J&K, tricolor will be the only flag, state in charge of policing, center supervises policing, Article 360 financial emergency not applicable, Article 360 financial emergency applicable. No reservation for minorities, minorities will be eligible for reservation. Indian citizens from other states cannot buy land or property in J&K. People from other states will now be able to purchase land or property in J&K. RTI not applicable, RTI will be applicable. Duration of Legislative Assembly for 6 years. Assembly duration in Union Territory of J&K will be 5 years. Thank you. As a consequence of Article 370, several important laws of India are not in force in J&K. These include the Indian Penal Code, the Prevention of Corruption Act, the Religious Institutions Prevention of Misuse Act. The article also prevents amendments to the Indian Constitution from being applicable to J&K.